Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Do you have animals? I have a couple of very thirsty rabbits that I needed a good quality and dependable water dispenser for. I am so pleased with this one that I got from Nityers because it holds 8 liters of water and the dispenser works so well. So this is a no-brainer to use, no electricity, no batteries. It's completely gravity fed and it is made of very good materials. As usual, my rabbits love to chew on everything that's inside their hutch, and this is no exception. But I can see no damage on it, even though it's been in there for weeks. This comes with a water filter, and it's just super easy to put together. You put the water filter in, screw the water filter cover on it, and then you screw the lid onto the water bottle, flip it upside down, and then push the dispenser down. This also washes really well, which I appreciate because my bunnies are filthy. My rabbits are being a little shy about letting me film them drinking from it, but you can see that they love it. They're rubbing their chins on it, which marks it and says, "This is mine." This water dispenser can work for all different kinds of animals. It's been so nice because I can have it for both my rabbits and not have to worry about them running out of water frequently. I think you're going to love it too, and that's my point of view.